You're tossing one of the healthiest parts of your watermelon. Stop. Summer wouldn't be the same without watermelon. And while you may think you know how to eat it, fruit salads, by the wedge, blended into a smoothie or even a boozy slush, we can almost guarantee you're not getting the most bang for your produce buck. That's because you're tossing the rind. It's true. The rind, that white part of the fruit between the pink flesh and tough green skin, is not only edible, but it's a potent source of nutrients that happen to be totally different than those in watermelon flesh. So, it's almost like two fruits in one. Why so great? For starters, it packs more fiber and potassium than watermelon flesh, making it an extremely heart-healthy snack, and per an Agricultural Research Services study, it also contains significant levels of the amino acid citrulline. Citrulline, in turn, plays a key role in creating another amino acid called arginine, which boosts nitric oxide production, helping relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and promote overall vascular health, combats fatigue, stimulates the immune system, helps fight cancer, and aids in muscle growth and wound healing. Pretty cool, but, how should you eat this stuff so it actually tastes good? Turns out, the rind's crisp texture and plain but subtly tangy flavor make it pretty darn versatile. You can blend it into smoothies, chop it and make watermelon rind kimchi or relish, or slice it into spears and make watermelon rind pickles.